continuing on with the priority queue. In this video, Lee, what do you have planned? We're going to start actually putting some functionality into place, right?
Right. We're just going to start with some of the utility functionality, particularly the clear method and the count property.
Okay.
But you already blew the punchline to the count property.
Oh, my bad. It's because I just didn't know what you were doing earlier, and I was like, has Lee lost his mind?
No, there was a method behind the madness, more madness than method, but and as you did mention, it is the sum of the counts of the three different lists.
Right.
And I was going to issue that as a challenge to our viewers. Actually, it's not much of one. And clear isn't much more difficult than that. It's just going to be going in and doing low.clear semicolons help. We'll do medium.clear. And we will do high.clear, so that will get all of those in place, semicolon. Clean that up. Go through, and I can clean this up as well. Get rid of all of that. So make sure that is everything. So like I said, it was not a whole lot in this video, especially with the punchline gone. Man, can't believe
Well, man, even if I hadn't said the punchline, what are you talking about? Everybody still knows we got three lists. We're just going to get the counts of each of them, put them or sum them all up, and return that back.
That's true. I mean, nothing there is really tricky. It doesn't really, nothing is too tricky with the exception of maybe NQ. Mm-hmm. Because NQ is going to be the one where we're going to be dealing with the promotion. But the rest of the stuff is going to be fairly straightforward.
Yeah, I would think so.
But that will take care of the utility stuff. So in the next one, I think, what do I have on the list for doing?
Taking a look at
NQ.
NQ method first, yeah.
Yep. So that will be the next one. So we're going to knock out the trickiest one as the first of the main methods, and we'll come back and get each one of these in their own videos.
Okay.
All right.
Very cool. Then with that, very quick couple of minutes, we'll go ahead and wrap this video up, and we will see you guys in the next. Thanks a lot.